Namaste, good afternoon. This is me, Baba, and welcome back to my channel, The Indie Foodie. This is episode 2 of Qatar's Hidden Gem, and we are at this place called Samosa Al Khaimah. Now, this place is a hidden place, and it's known for serving only samosas, yeah. And let's see what this Arabic sambusik or samosa is. Let's go inside. We are finally here and we're going to be ordering samosas, yeah? So this is now next step is ajina. This is rubber, samosa rubber. It's made of basically maida, yeah? So we are going to use that now. That's a step 2. Talk a little more about this place, Samosa Al Khaimah. This place has been here for 20 years. If you see, it's a very small place, but this place makes around 1000 samosas or kitna banta hai?
No, 4,000 actually.
So 4,000, 5,000 samosas daily. I mean, that's wow. You know, that's a big number. You get like 12 pieces of samosas for just 5 riyals, and they have different varieties. So we're gonna continue and see what varieties are we gonna get today. Yo, Samosa Al Khaimah, that's the place, yeah. So the next process now, after the sambusik is, or the samosa you call it, it's been made, what we're gonna do, this is the final step. This is what you call frying. We're gonna deep fry all the samosas, the sambusiks, and yeah, we're gonna see how they do that. Excited? I'm gonna try all the 4 varieties. I'm gonna show what we have here. The first one is gonna be the chicken, that's the vegetable, potato, and the cheese, yeah. I'm gonna start with the chicken. So the taste of the chicken is actually good. We do get the shredded pieces of chicken which we saw. There is a little bit of masala, and I think a little bit of dhania is inside there, yeah. It's very nice. The crunch, what I like was you heard the crunch. It was so good, you know, and that's how it is. This one is sambusak. People who don't know what sambuk is, it is something like the samosa. It comes from the samosa family, and some people say it came from India. However, I do believe sambusik came from India, from samosas. Samosas came from Samsa in Uzbekistan, and Samsa came from something called Samza or something from Iran. So basically the origin is Iran, yeah. This is the vegetable one. We're going to go quickly and give it a try how it is now. Again, the crunch, very nice. A lot of vegetables. I mean, even this small bite, I saw a lot of, I could get the taste of a lot of vegetables. In fact, onions, carrots, capsicum, there is peas, there is potatoes, and there is a little bit of mirchi, the spiciness, little bit, very little, but good. I like, and the masalas, I think it's a good one, the vegetarian one, yeah. So the third one, we're gonna try this third sambusik. This is how it looks. This is the potato one. We're gonna give it a try and see how this sambusik is. Wow, this is yummy. Very tasty actually. चटपटा है, like जो इंडिया में हम लोग खाते हैं समोसा. This is actually okay. So this is actually like samosa. This is the closest we could get to a samosa. Same aloo ka mixture it is there, and wo chatpata, you know. And I personally love samosas, to be honest. And I guess this one has been the closest to samosa. Very tasty, chatpata. Just that aloo, thoda sa wo matar hai iske andar, and that, you know, that I don't know how do you call it. That wo chatpata swad isme actually wo hai. Good one, yeah. So this is the last one. This is the kiri cheese sambusik. This is how it looks, and I'm gonna go for a very, very quick bite of this. Oh my god, this one really melts in your mouth, man. You see inside, the cheese is already melted. So, wow, I love this one. I love cheese. मैं cheese के लिए कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ. Okay, this sambusik is to die for. And the kiri cheese itself, it's a killer. And with a combination of this, oh my god. Alright, so finally tried all the samosas. If you ask me which one is the winner, I would actually go for the potato one. For some reason I like potato. Even the vegetable masala is good. Chicken, of course, people who like non-vegetarian chicken would be the first choice. And my second favorite, so potato and then the cheese. The kiri cheese, it's a winner. It's another level. Yeah, there's no word for it. Kind of like really melts. A samosa which melts in your mouth is something very, very different. Samosa Khaima is the place. It's in Markhia. Guys, do try. It's a hidden gem. It's been here for like 20 years. And their prices are super reasonable. You can take it for your family everywhere, yeah. They're not on any kind of social media, so you'll have to come here. So signing out, this is episode 2 of Hidden Gems, Samosa Al Khaima. That's the place to be. Until next time, Baba Legends and Sambusik is life.